What if I told you there's an app that pays you free money every single day? You don't have to invest any money, you don't have to take any risk, and you can earn more than your entire salary. Would you believe me? Well, friends, that app is already here. Introducing Friendship Wallet, the app that will turn your smartphone into a cash-generating machine. Let me explain how it works. You probably know that many of the largest companies in the world, like Facebook, Google, and YouTube, never charge you any money for their service, but end up making billions of dollars each year. How? Ads. You watch the ad, but they get rich. What if you could get paid every time you saw an ad? Wouldn't that be great? That's exactly where Friendship Wallet comes in. Through the power of this app, an ad is placed on your lock screen so that each time you unlock and use your phone, you make money. While you do make a small amount alone, that's nowhere near enough to match your salary. To be able to achieve those numbers, we have created the strongest referral program ever seen. If you invite your friend, you will earn exactly the same amount as them for life. If they then invite someone else, you also earn 100% of what they earn. And if they invite someone else, you also make 100% of what they earn. Earn $100 every single day following 3 easy steps. Step 1. Download and use the app to meet your daily goal. Step 2. Invite 10 friends to use the app. Step 3. Tell your friends to follow steps 1 through 3. By following just these 3 steps, you will have built up a team large enough to allow you to make $100 every single day, forever. What are you waiting for? Download Friendship Wallet today from the Play Store and use the power of friendship to unlock your freedom. Visit www.friendshipwallet.com to learn more.